To thee whom Albion's distant shore detains, and mirth and song accosting various strains, I send all health, oh hear my humble lay, and with one smile my anxious love repay. For me, not whispers of the rising gale, breath from the south to cheer the frozen vale, nor gently sloping shores where naiads lay, and shells are polished by the lashing wave. Nor rivers gliding by the flowery meads, whose silver currents sparkle through the reeds, nor sprightly spring, nor autumn filled with storms, nor summer's coverts and sequestered boughs can yield a pleasure while the dear loved youth, for whom my soul preserves eternal truth, is absent from Tisarius' fertile plain, and gentle echo bears my sighs in vain. The goat shall cease the mountain's top to graze, the fish for land shall leave their native seas, the bees no more the flowery thyme shall taste, nor thirsty hearts to limpid streams shall haste. When I forget the sacred vow to bind, or put thy dear idea from my mind, so late the seat of joy sincere, thy absence makes a prey to gloomy care. My flowers in vain they court my friendly hand, left in their beds the wintry blast to stand. For thee the lily bloom, the garden's pride, and blushing hyacinths with roses vie. For thee I tortured every fruit that grew, to make the season ever smile anew. But now untouched upon their boughs they die, and lose their flavor ere they tempt my eye, while pensive in each silent shade I mourn, and count the tedious hours till thou return.